How's everyone doing this morning?
Great.
Okay. I'm Nick Ramfos. I'm the director of the National Operations Center of Excellence at AASHTO. And just wanted to give you guys a little bit of background information. At AASHTO, we have 3 pillars. And one of them is the National Operations Center of Excellence. Our operations manual is kind of the book. The center is the library. And then we also have regional operations leadership forums and operations practitioner workshops, which is kind of our training. So who are we? We were established to centralize services to the TSMO community, and TSMO is Transportation Systems Management and Operations. And we provide a suite of resources and facilitate knowledge transfer, as well as doing a lot of networking. So we go out to a lot of conferences like ACT and others to get folks involved with TSMO. And then we communicate any new advancements on TSMO. Our leadership includes AASHTO, ITE, ITS America, as well as the Federal Highway Administration at USDOT. We have some strategic goals that we've adopted through our strategic plan. And the first goal is centered on people, the workforce mainly, to attract, develop, sustain, and expand the TSMO workforce, and it encompasses the TSMO community itself, the audiences that NOCoE serves, as well as empowering folks through growth in knowledge, skills, and abilities. The second goal is to advocate for the deployment of current and emerging TSMO practices, and that includes technology, which we're going to be talking about today, as well as strategies which help synthesize and highlight some of those emerging trends. The third goal is to mainstream TSMO across agencies and modes as a core function of providing transportation system solutions and prioritize safety, travel reliability, and economic vitality. We primarily tackle this through knowledge management and strategic communications to provide the most up-to-date resources needed by practitioners. So here are some of the key services offered. I'm not going to go through all of those, but we do about 100,000. We get over 100,000 views a year on our website. We have case studies. We do a lot of summits, and we also do on-demand resources support. We also support AASHTO's Transportation Operations Manual. This is the first manual that was published back in 2023. And we do that through our state DOTs as well as other key individuals. So today's panel discussion is going to focus on how TSMO strategies, including TDM, address mobility, reliability, and safety, and how it optimizes the existing and future infrastructure investments in technology. You're going to hear about ITS, or Intelligent Transportation Systems, transit and technology, planned special event technology, and incident management and work zone safety management. The TSMO strategies that will be presented focus on active, integrated, and performance-driven management and operations, and they're part of a systematic approach. Technology used to support TSMO strategy aims to extract as much capacity and operational efficiency as possible from the existing network. Each panelist will share technology-focused use case studies for dynamic, predictive, proactive, performance-driven, continuous monitoring, and supply and demand-oriented situations. These technological advances, coupled with the use of TSMO strategies, have helped agencies respond to changing conditions and help identify gaps for future needs. The overall goal is to be proactive and performance-driven and continuously monitoring the network to maximize efficiency. Using technology can improve mobility and safety for all users and helps delay expanding capacity given everyone's limited resources. It also helps with long-term management of the transportation system and benefits all users by improving operational efficiency and enhancing the overall transportation experience. Operations practitioners see this as a way to make the most out of existing investment as well as what is planned in the future. Hopefully, you'll see that as well.